In previous class, we have learned about exponential equation. Today we will see about exponential equation here, how to can solve or how to can simplify this type of exponential equation. Look at here, 2 the power of 2a the power of minus 3 times b the power of 2 the whole minus 2. Now, a the power of minus 1, which is equals to 1 over a. So a the power of minus n, which is equals to 1 over a the power of n. Just like here, 2 the power of minus 2, which means 1 over 2 a the power of minus 3 times b the power of 2 the whole square. Negative 2 change into positive 2. Also, a times b the power of n, which is equals to a the power of n times b the power of n. Just like minus 2 here, 2 times 2 times a the power of minus 3 the whole square times b square times square. So 1 over 2 square, which means 4. 4 a the power of minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6 times b square, which is the power of 4. Is the power of 4. Which is equals to 1 over negative 6, which means 1 over a the power of positive 6 over 4 a the power of 4, the simplest forms of our equation, a the power of 6 negative, which means a the 1 over negative n, which is equals to a the power of positive n. Thank you very much. If you have any question about mathematics, you can send your question in comment section. Please like and subscribe my channel.